Hey everyone, Paul Cuttajar here with AI Web Voice Canada, Lifestyle 55 Plus Network, doing another demo today. Lots going on. Today we've got ChildVentures. Going to be doing one for the children. Well, not for the children, but the website related to children. So we're going to go through this demo just to let ChildVentures know we are not on the back end of your website. We have no access to the back end or any data or anything like that. We're just doing an overlay just for a demo purpose. There are some restrictions when we do the overlay. We're going to talk about that. We're actually going to get Ava, our AI agent, to explain all of that to us. So there's no fear in us having any access to your data. What you see right now on the screen right here is a permission base where Child Ventures wants to use the microphone and be able to communicate with us. So everybody that's coming in for the first time is going to have the option to either use this or not use this. And if they decide to use it, which we are going to, we're going to do the demo that way. If they decide not to, they can hit never allow, and they won't have an interaction with the AI agent. But that's no fun. So let's have some fun with this. This is the very first time I'm putting the agent on as the overlay demo. So I'm going to be testing it as well to see what she comes up with, given the fact that we don't have access to the back end. So let's go ahead and allow.
Hi, I'm here to help you learn about Child Ventures. What can I help you with?
Oh, hi, how are you?
Doing great. Thanks for asking. What brings you to Child Ventures today? Are you looking for early learning options for your little one?
Yeah, actually, we do have a little one, and it'll be the first time that they're going to school or to a daycare, I guess. And we're really nervous parents, and I'm not sure what all this involves, and I don't even know what you are, even to be able to talk to you about my child's education and care. So why don't you tell me what's going on?
That's such an exciting milestone, and it's completely normal to feel nervous. Every parent does. Child Ventures is a premium early childhood education and care provider in Ontario, focused on giving kids a genuine love of learning in a nurturing, safe environment. Let me show you a bit of what we're about. What age is your little one? That'll help me point you to exactly the right program.
Well, actually, we've just moved into the area. I've got two kids. One is a year and a half, and the other one is 5.
Welcome to the area. Great news. Child Ventures has programs for both of them. Your year and a half old would fit right into the infant or toddler program, and your 5-year old would be in the junior kindergarten and senior kindergarten program. Which area did you move to? That'll help me figure out which Child Ventures center is closest to you.
Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you that. Of course, I'm in the Burlington area.
Perfect! Child Ventures has a center in Burlington. Let me pull up some details on that for you. Great news! The Burlington Center is actually their largest location, over 20,000 square feet, and it's been there since 2004. Even better, it's currently part of the Canada-wide Early Learning and Childcare program, which means tuition is reduced by over 52%. That's a huge saving for your family. Would you like to know more about the programs for your two little ones? Or shall we talk about what a typical day looks like there?
That's interesting. I think a typical day would be a little bit more exciting. Why don't you share that information?
Let me look that up for you. Honestly, a detailed hour by hour schedule isn't something I can pull up right now, but I can tell you that the centers are open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., and the day is built around a blend of Montessori, high scope, and core knowledge curriculum. So it's a mix of structured learning, creative play, and nutritious meals prepared right on site. Would you like me to take your details so the Burlington team can walk you through exactly what a day looks like for a toddler and a JK kid specifically?
Before I give you the details, could you explain those three things, Montessori, something or other, and the other things that you mentioned?
Sure. Let me show you those.
All right. ChildVentures blends on three proven approaches: Montessori, high scope, and core knowledge, each one designed to support a different dimension of your child's growth.
That's interesting. Ava, my name is Paul. I actually own AI Web Voice Canada, so I own your agent. I'm doing this demo for Child Ventures. I'm just going to put you on hold for a second while I talk to the owners here at Child Ventures through the demo. Is that okay?
Of course, Paul, take your time. I'll be right here whenever you're ready to continue.
Awesome. So just for everybody to know, you probably heard her voice a little squeaky there. Um, I'm running two screens right now. We're doing a Zoom recording. We're getting the AI agent to be working, plus we have the actual website and navigation happening. It's probably a fair bit of power being used on my system, and therefore, when she changed the page, because she does that automatically, she'll go to different pages on the website. She'll scroll through. She'll take you to different sections. When she did that, the buffering, I could see the buffering on my computer, just a little lagged in trying to keep up with it. So it was trying to buffer on that. The other thing is, um, I'm going to get Ava to actually explain what she does and how she does it, and what some of those exciting components are that she's able to access. Again, if she had access to the back end for any specific question or commentary that she needs to pull in, she would have that once the system is in place on your website. Real simple installation. It's a snippet code that we create specifically for you. Then we have a whole back end of prompting and information that we allow her access to. And then from there, she has conversations with people, which is absolutely amazing. Every time I'm doing these, I'm having bigger and better conversations with her, only because I'm learning all the nuances and having conversation with her. So as you can see, I've been talking for a fair bit here. Let's go back to Ava to see if she's pulled all this information in, and let's see what she can come up with based on what I just shared.
Thanks, Paul. So, for the Child Ventures team watching, here's a quick peek behind the curtain. I can navigate pages, scroll to specific sections, search a knowledge base built from your website content, capture lead information, and fill out forms, all through natural conversation. When a parent asks about programs, I find the right section and show it to them in real time, just like I did a moment ago with Paul. The setup is straightforward. A snippet of code on your site, and I'm live. And every conversation I have is working toward one goal: turning curious visitors into enrolled families. Paul, ready to pick up where we left off with those curriculum explanations for your two little ones?
Oh, that's awesome. Listen, I'm going to save some time because I'm sure Child Ventures knows what their curriculum is. Can you tell me about your language ability?
Great question. I can converse in multiple languages. So if a parent visits the Child Ventures website and speaks French, Spanish, or another supported language, I'll naturally respond in their language without them having to ask. My default is English, but I can hold conversations in many languages: French, Spanish, and others, so Child Ventures families from diverse backgrounds can get help in the language they're most comfortable with. It makes the experience feel personal right from that very first interaction.
That's amazing. Let's give them a little sample of that. Could you give me a sentence, a quick sentence in French and German, and let's see if you can do Mandarin today.
Absolument. Here we go. French. Bienvenue chez Child Ventures, où chaque enfant est inspiré à apprendre et à grandir. German. Willkommen bei Child Ventures, wo jedes Kind inspiriert wird zu lernen und zu wachsen. And Mandarin. Huan Thing Lai Child Ventures, Zai Cheli Mega Haides tu Begilia tu Shuesi He Chung Chung. Same message, three languages. Welcome to Child Ventures, where every child is inspired to learning and grow.
That's amazing. Again, for the demo, for everybody to know, she does this on the fly. This is like real conversation. I don't have anything around me that I'm manipulating her with. It's great technology that we've been able to implement here. Um, what else can I tell you about Ava? Ava, what is there anything else that you want to tell us about you?
Well, a few things that I think are really exciting. I remember returning visitors. So if Paul came back tomorrow, I'd already know he's in Burlington, has a toddler and a 5-year-old, and we pick right up where we left off. I can capture lead information through a natural conversation. No clunky forms, just a smooth handoff. I can scroll the website in real time, so visitors are always looking at exactly what we're talking about. And I work 24/7, so a parent browsing at midnight gets the same great experience as one calling during business hours. Honestly, I never have a bad day, and I never put anyone on hold.
That's amazing. Guys, I'm going to cut this one off. A great opportunity. Child Ventures, I'm going to be reaching out, of course. If you have a, child care system or a daycare program in place and you're looking for something like this where they're working 24/7 for you, by all means, reach out to us and hope to see you on the next demo. Thanks, Ava.
Thank you so much, Paul. It was a pleasure being part of this demo. And to the Child Ventures team, it would be an absolute honor to be working for your families around the clock. Looking forward to the conversation. Take care, everyone.
I couldn't have said it better myself. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks.